Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Tejkiran, and I am from BTech CSC branch, and this is my final report of my short internship. And the internship mode is remote mode, sir. And the domain of the my project is agriculture, sir. The purpose of the domain is the goal of focusing on the water and agriculture. It is useful for ensuring sustainable and efficient water use of crop production, and it improves the irrigation practices, and also it prevents the water scarcity also, sir. And it promotes the climate resilient farming system. Next, the linked sustainability development goals means SDG goals are zero hunger and clean water and sanitation, and responsible consumption of production and climate actions in life on land. Zero hunger means, sir, through this we can give better irrigation and hydrated fields, and clean water sanitation mean by promoting this water usage efficiency, and the responsible consumption of production means reducing the water wastage in farming. And means most of the water is used to waste in the farming, sir. To prevent this, we will use this responsible consumption and production. And climatic actions means promoting reliant water management. Means climatic actions like water harvesting in lower places, etc. And the sample activities of these important, sir. Dipper and sprinkler systems and construction of farm ponds and check dams, and water mitigating and scheduling. And these importance are to save the water and improve yield with the target irrigation, sir. And store the rainwater means rainwater irrigation, and reduce the water dependencies. And relevance in the village community context, sir. Uh, Scarcity and overview means many villages faces several water scarcity due to over irrigation or lack of conservation infrastructure, sir. And another one is livelihood dependencies. Livelihood dependencies means agriculture being water intense. Poor water management directly affects the farmers and income and food supply, and groundwater depletion, sir. Unregulated use of bore well has led to falling water tables in many areas. And reliance to droughts means efficient water use can be make agriculture more reliant to climatic shocks, sir. Next, here daily task overview, sir. Here you can see my daily task overview up to 7 days, sir. And keep learning and experiences, understanding in local agriculture practices, and how water is used to different cropping systems. Means and here there is challenges, sir. Means language barrier and harass weather conditions, and reluctance for farmers, etc. And language barrier means it is difficult in communicating with some local farmers, sir. And weather conditions means we can know, sometimes it is very wind blowing, due to that the farmers will feel very sad and frustrated because of that winds. So yes, sir. In next, resilience of challenges. Means challenges like language barrier, weather conditions, farmer health station, and lack of tools we have discussed in previous slides. So that in problem statement, the main problem statement of this agriculture is during the field visit, the villages of our village, it observed that many farmers were over irrigating their crops, especially weather intensive crops like sugarcane and paddy. This was leading to rapid groundwater depletion and low water usage efficiency, and rising input cost for farmers. Means electricity and water pumping. Steps taken to understand this address is, sir, farmers interaction and interviews. Means concluding the discussion with the 25 or more than farmers to understand their irrigation schedule, where water sources and awareness of water saving methods. And second one is the field observation and data collection, sir. And map locked water bodies, borewells, and common irrigation pattern, measured moisture levels in selected plots using basic soil sensors. And next, action implemented to treat the problem means to solve the problem. The actions implemented by us, sir, means demonstrate soil moisture based irrigations, means trained a small group of farmers to how test soil moisture manually before irrigation. And next, second, water budgeting templates, introducing a simple weekly planner for water used basic crop type of stages. And here we can observe the outcomes from the farmers. So farmer awareness improved. Many farmers explored here and reduce the irrigation frequency and interest in scale. Here is the documentation, sir, the impact of proofs. And here we can see some, we have interviewed some of the farmers near my village, outside of my village. They're assessing the impact of farmer practices. Research can be field study investigating effective different farming methods like soil heritage, etc. Sir, some sample process in my field visit. And these are the Lippy games, sir, where we can see it can be useful for children also. Thank you, sir.